Hi everyone, welcome to Travel World, and for today's guide we are in Mexico City, a vibrant metropolis brimming with history, culture and unforgettable experiences. From ancient ruins to world-class museums and bustling markets, this city has something to offer every traveler. Get ready to immerse yourself in the captivating energy of Mexico City, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, and iconic landmarks that make this city so special. If you are a history buff, a foodie, an art enthusiast, or simply seeking fun and adventure, Mexico City has something to captivate your senses. What is your favorite city? Comment down below, like, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start our journey to discover 10 of the top must-visit destinations that will make your trip to Mexico City truly unforgettable. Let's dive in. Our first stop takes us just outside the city center to the awe-inspiring archaeological site of Teotihuacan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ancient city, once a bustling metropolis and a center of Mesoamerican civilization, dates back to the 2nd century BC. Prepare to be amazed as you step back in time, walking amongst the colossal pyramids and ancient temples that have stood for centuries. Dominating the landscape are the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon, towering structures that offer breathtaking views from their summits. It makes you think about the vibrant city that once thrived here as you stroll down the Avenue of the Dead, a grand boulevard that connected the city's most important structures. As you explore the ruins and soak in the atmosphere, you can't help but feel a connection to the past and the powerful civilization that once called Teotihuacan home. We now journey back to the heart of Mexico City for our second spot, the Zócalo, or Plaza de la Constitución, a place that pulsates with the energy and history of this incredible city. This expansive plaza has been a gathering place for centuries, witnessing countless historical events and celebrations. Surrounding the Zócalo are some of Mexico City's most iconic landmarks, each whispering tales of the past. Gaze up at the grandeur of the National Palace, the official residence of the Mexican president, and marvel at the intricate architecture of the Metropolitan Cathedral, one of the largest cathedrals in the Americas. As you wander through the Zócalo, you will be surrounded by street vendors, musicians, and locals going about their day. It is a place where you can truly feel the pulse of Mexico City, where history and modern life converge. Take some time to soak in the atmosphere, grab a snack from a street vendor, and simply experience the heart of this captivating city. From the ancient wonders of Teotihuacan to the historical heart of the Zócalo, we arrive at destination number 3, Chapultepec Park, a green oasis in Mexico City. Stroll through lush forests, breathe in the scent of pine and eucalyptus, or relax on a shaded bench. Perched atop Chapultepec Hill is the magnificent Chapultepec Castle, home to the National Museum of History. Enjoy breathtaking views of Mexico City, and as the sun sets, soak in the park's golden glow. Chapultepec Park is a serene escape in the heart of the city. Prepare to be amazed by our 4th place as we journey to the Museo Sumaya, a true architectural marvel that has become a symbol of modern Mexico City. From the moment you approach, your eyes are drawn to its unique and striking design. The building, covered in thousands of shimmering aluminum tiles, seems to organically flow skyward, evoking a sense of movement and fluidity. But the true treasures lie within. Step inside and you will find yourself in a light-filled atrium, the starting point of your journey through art history. The Museo Soumaya houses an extensive private collection, spanning over 6,000 years of art from across the globe. Wander through the galleries and encounter masterpieces by European masters like Rodin, Dali, and Van Gogh. Their works displayed alongside pre-Hispanic Mexican artifacts and 19th century Mexican portraiture. The museum's eclectic collection offers a fascinating dialogue between different cultures and artistic periods. And the best part, access to this incredible art collection is entirely free to the public. The Museo Soumaya stands as a testament to the power of art to inspire, educate, and be accessible to all. Whether you are an art aficionado or simply curious to experience this architectural gem, a visit to the Museo Soumaya is a must. Our fifth spot is Paseo de la Reforma, Mexico City's iconic avenue, which is a vibrant blend of history and modernity. Inspired by Europe's grand boulevards, it showcases Mexico's rich past and bright future. Stroll under tree-lined streets, sunlight filtering through the leaves. Discover monuments and sculptures that tell Mexico's story. Pause at the Angel of Independence, a symbol of freedom. Marvel at the mix of historic and modern architecture. Admire ornate facades of historic landmarks. Then, turn to sleek skyscrapers, symbols of a thriving metropolis. Locals and visitors gather to enjoy its lively atmosphere. Street performers and vendors add to its vibrant charm. Paseo de la Reforma offers something for everyone. From grand avenues and bustling cityscapes, we shift gears to a neighborhood brimming with bohemian charm and artistic legacy. Welcome to our sixth spot, Coyoacan, a haven for artists, intellectuals, and free spirits. As you stroll through its cobblestone streets, vibrant colors leap from every corner. Buildings painted in hues of azure, terracotta, and sunflower yellow whisper tales of a rich and vibrant past. The air hums with the gentle strumming of guitars, the aroma of fresh churros, and the laughter of locals and visitors alike. Coyoacan is perhaps best known as the home of Frida Kahlo, Mexico's iconic painter. Her presence can still be felt in the air, particularly at the Frida Kahlo Museum, also known as the Blue House. This vibrant blue house, where Frida was born and lived, offers an intimate glimpse into her life and art. Beyond the Blue House, Coyoacan invites you to explore its hidden plazas, artisan markets brimming with handcrafted treasures, and traditional cantinas echoing with the sounds of mariachi music. Lose yourself in its enchanting labyrinthine streets and discover the soul of Mexico City's artistic heart. Prepare to be enchanted by Destination 7 Xochimilco, a network of canals and artificial islands that offer a glimpse into Mexico City's pre-Hispanic past. Here, amidst the tranquil waters and lush greenery, a vibrant cultural tapestry unfolds. Step aboard a brightly painted trajinera, a traditional flat-bottomed boat adorned with flowers and often named after women. As your trajinera glides along the canals, the sounds of mariachi bands and marimba music fill the air, creating a festive ambiance. Vendors in smaller boats drift alongside, offering everything from refreshing beverages and traditional snacks to handcrafted souvenirs. The aroma of freshly made elotes, grilled corn on the cob slathered in chili and cheese, wafts through the air, tempting your taste buds. Xochimilco is a sensory feast, a celebration of life, music, and Mexican heritage. It is an experience that will stay with you long after you step back onto dry land, a reminder of the vibrant soul of Mexico City. From the vibrant canals of Xochimilco, we navigate our way to our 8th destination, Polanco, one of Mexico City's most glamorous neighborhoods. Here, amidst tree-lined avenues and elegant architecture, a world of luxury and sophistication awaits. Polanco is a shopper's paradise, home to high-end boutiques, showcasing the latest designs from international and Mexican designers. Stroll along Avenida Presidente Masaryk, often dubbed the Rodeo Drive of Mexico City, and browse the window displays of renowned fashion houses. When you are ready for a break from shopping, indulge your palate at one of Polanco's world-class restaurants. From Michelin-starred dining experiences to cozy cafes serving authentic Mexican cuisine, Polanco offers a culinary journey for every taste and budget. As the sun begins to set, Polanco transforms into a vibrant hub for nightlife. Chic bars and clubs come alive with music and laughter, inviting you to experience the city's sophisticated side. If you are searching for retail therapy, culinary delights, or a taste of the high life, Polanco promises an unforgettable experience. From the grand avenues of Paseo de la Reforma, we shift gears to a different kind of charm in Mexico City. Our 9th stop is Roma, a neighborhood radiating with an irresistible bohemian spirit. You stroll down streets lined with colorful buildings adorned with intricate details and overflowing with lush greenery. Roma is a feast for the senses, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee from trendy cafes mingles with the vibrant hues of street art. This neighborhood is a haven for artists and creatives, evident in the numerous art galleries showcasing diverse and thought-provoking works. Be sure to wander into these hidden gems and discover the pulse of Mexico City's contemporary art scene. But Roma isn't just about visual delights. It is a place to savor life's simple pleasures. Duck into one of the many charming cafes, each with its own personality and ambiance. Sip on a perfectly crafted latte while enjoying a leisurely breakfast or brunch, surrounded by the sounds of lively conversation and laughter. As you explore the neighborhood, you will find yourself captivated by the unique boutiques and vintage shops. Roma is a treasure trove of one-of-a-kind finds, from vintage clothing and accessories to handcrafted jewelry and home decor. Lose yourself in the eclectic charm of Roma and discover a side of Mexico City that is both trendy and timeless. Our final must-visit destination in Mexico City is the breathtaking Palacio de Bellas Artes, an architectural masterpiece and cultural icon. Its white marble facade, intricate carvings, and shimmering stained glass dome are unforgettable. Inside, murals by Diego Rivera and others celebrate Mexico's artistic legacy. The palace hosts world-class performances of opera, ballet, and more. A visit here is a journey into the heart of Mexican culture. And there you have it, 10 of the best destinations for you to visit in Mexico City. From the ancient pyramids of Teotihuacan to the trendy cafes of Roma and the artistic grandeur of the Palacio de Bellas Artes, this city has something for everyone. Mexico City will captivate you with its vibrant culture, rich history, and welcoming spirit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Travel World for more travel inspiration. It is a great help to us. Tell us in the comments below which destination you are most excited to visit. Remember to click the notification bell so you stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching Travel World. Goodbye from me, Emily. See you in the next video.